Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dave Stone with another episode of Develop Awesome Skills, and I just want to say first off, thank you so much to everybody. All the support came pouring in, and I just realized how much you guys care about me, and I just appreciate all your support and your comments. They really mean a lot to me, so I just say thank you so much. It was quite overwhelming, the amount of support that all you came together to give me, so it did help. And I really appreciate all your kind words in the comments. So I also had a few visits. I had Tony come by again. He was at the Arizona Rare Fruit Growers sale, and he got me a Florida Prince bare root peach tree. So I'm gonna plant that in the backyard here, and I just want to kind of get back and show you that the backyard's still moving forward. Right behind me, we got the moringa cuttings. That's Honolulu, Maui's cutting, and that's campfire moringa right there that we planted in the campfire. So, but what I'm gonna do right now, right here on the pathway, right here in the middle, this is where I'm gonna put this peach tree. So I'm gonna move these wood chips. So these chips have been here for a couple months, and I have not been watering this area, so we're gonna see how easy it is to dig. See if I need the pickaxe or not. Not too bad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this dirt on the berm for the pathway. Oh yeah, now it's getting nice. That top layer was a little tough. Well, I didn't need the pickaxe, so wood chips do help even if you don't water that area. Remember, square hole? Now here's the tree. It's a Florida Prince, and it's bare root. This is, you can see the graft right here, so I'm gonna place that east. You can see this nice long root. I've been soaking this in water. Before I soaked it in water, I just had it under a pile of soil, and I kind of wet the soil down so to keep it moist. And then I just soaked it for about 8 hours in some water. And now we're gonna mix a nice soil mix, and we're gonna plant it. So I'm gonna see about the level here. I actually need to go a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna hit that a little bit deeper. Put this back in the water. Yep, it's a good height right there. Can even go down just a little bit more on the back side here. Square it off a little bit. Pull a little bit more out. All right, we're gonna mix the soil now. I'm gonna start with some potting soil. Add some rock dust. Add some sand. And then add some worm gold plus worm castings. A good amount. I'm also going to mix in some native soil. So there it is. Looks pretty good. I'm going to start with a couple scoops. Right there. Looks like I need some more soil. Alright, so I'm going to use another bag of soil here. I'm probably not going to need all of it. But it's okay to have a little extra left over, so I'll just mix it all up. Worm castings. A lot of rock dust. And then the rest of this sand. And then some more native dirt. So it's getting kind of dark right now, but I'm gonna try to get this planted before it gets too dark. Okay, there it is. I got her in the ground. Gonna give her some more worm castings and rock dust and a nice water. Got plenty of wood chips right here to finish it off. Thank you again, Tony. I'll be very excited when I start getting delicious Florida Prince peaches. I'll keep you guys updated on how this peach does. I just want to say thank you so much for the people that are supporting me on Patreon. And if you guys do want to support me, go to patreon.com/developawesomeskills. And let's plant some more trees together, because we're gonna see how this little tree does here in spring. Very excited about it. I love peaches. And it's been pruned nice and low. So this tree, I have power lines right above it. Won't get too big for the power lines. So, all right guys, until next time, develop awesome skills. Give me a big green thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel too. So, and hit that little bell button so you guys can get more updates from me. So, all right guys, well until next time, develop awesome skills. Love you guys. All right, so there it is. Little Florida Prince peach, super low to the ground. This is the height of it. Probably 18 inches high right now, so I'm excited to see how these low-cut home orchard trees grow. Greg Peterson talks about this. Keep your trees pruned back like this when you get them, especially when they're bare roots, because it gives it less branches for the root structure to support, because it's a bare root structure. So once the roots start gaining steam and growing, this is allowed to get bigger. And then it'll provide you fruit that you can reach too. Won't be too high. Fruiting branches are low. So, all right, well, thanks again for watching, guys. And until next time, develop awesome skills. Love you guys.